This is Momo, a cute baby monkey who loves to play. Momo plays and plays, but goes too far from home. No, Momo is lost.
Oh, Momo is lost. Mommy, where are you?
Don't worry, little Momo. I will help you, and not you.
I saw your mommy near the river.
Momo feels happy and follows his new friends. Momo!
Mommy! I was so scared.
Always stay close, my baby.
And Momo learned a lesson.
If you like this story, like and subscribe now. Let's for an for more fun stories.